Moonlight Chicken, an upcoming Thai BL series. Filming has officially begun, and this drama will be directed by director of Ot Pirapat as Jim Thanit Lau Shiri, Meek Shahapap as Wen. Moonlight Chicken tells the story about Jim, an ordinary guy who sells Hanasi's chicken rice for a living, who met Wen, a drunk customer, in his diner. The night that brings them both together created a feeling that is hard to understand. None of the two can stop thinking about each other, despite Wen being a taken man. Everything in their life is not the same after that. First Kanapan, Kautong Thanawat, Mark Pakin, Fourth Nathawat, Jimini Norawit, Papang Prom Priya, View Venyapa,